Today, we're diving into the Meanwell RSP-750-24 power supply, a powerhouse of a unit designed to meet the demands of high-performance PC builds. Clocking in at 24 volts and 31.3 amps, this single-output power supply packs a whopping 751.2 watts of power, making it an ideal choice for gamers, enthusiasts, and professionals alike. First off, let's talk about compatibility. Whether you're building a gaming rig, a rendering workstation, or a server farm, the RSP-750-24 has you covered. Its robust design ensures compatibility with a wide range of devices, including personal computers, ensuring that you can power your system without any compatibility issues. When it comes to performance, the RSP-750-24 truly shines. With a maximum output wattage of 750 watts, this unit delivers reliable and consistent power to your components, even under heavy loads. This makes it perfect for overclocking, intense gaming sessions, or resource-intensive tasks like 3D rendering or video editing. But performance isn't the only thing that matters, reliability is key too. That's why the RSP-750-24 comes equipped with efficient air cooling, ensuring optimal thermal management even during extended use. This not only prolongs the lifespan of the power supply but also helps maintain stable performance under all conditions. In terms of dimensions, the RSP-750-24 strikes a balance between compactness and functionality. Measuring at 9.84 by 5 by 1.61 inches, it's compact enough to fit into most PC cases without taking up too much space, yet large enough to accommodate the necessary components for efficient operation. Overall, the Meanwell RSP-750-24 power supply is a true powerhouse, offering unmatched performance, reliability, and compatibility for high-powered PC builds. Whether you're a gamer pushing the limits of your system or a professional tackling demanding workloads, this unit has what it takes to keep your rig running smoothly. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.